Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahjaz Aziz Khan and the topic of my presentation is child labor. Child labor is a serious problem in many parts of the world, especially in developing countries. Labor is defined as physical or mental work, especially of the hard or drying kind. The work done by the children under 15 years due to some circumstance is known as child labor. The International Labour Organization estimates that there are approximately 250 million children around the world between the age of 5 to 14 who are now working. Pakistan, unfortunately, is among those countries in which child labor is peak. Children which are considered as innocent are being used to perform work which is beyond to their capabilities, which should be taken as the act of brutally. Child labor is a crime in the constituency of Pakistan. It must be penalized and should be condemned, but still it is being done without any shame. Many NGOs are working for the rehabilitation of such children, but it's still the mafias behind these activities are more stronger than these NGOs. In humanity, it is peak. Those children, which are the future of the state and will be running the country in the upcoming year, are being destroyed. We can see all around our surrounding, and we can find that children which should have books in their hand are having dirty plates, tools, and shoes of the people. But unfortunately, this crime has happened, and we get hurt for a while and then forget it. According to a survey, approximately 45% of the children in the state have been exposed to child labor in one and another means. The main cause behind the popularity of child labor in Pakistan is the even increase in unemployment, which has dragged many of the family below the poverty time. There is a need to stop child labor in this country. Awareness must be raised, and the attention of the parents ought to be divided to the education of their children. Child labor laws should be put into practice strictly. In addition, the educational system of the country must be reshaped and restructured according to national development goals. The orphanage and the other deserving children must be helped financially or a proclaimed basic. It is also essential to eliminate child labor from the country. That the political, economical, and social system of the country are need to be reshaped and such steps taken that make child labor in this country a crime. If we succeed to act upon these principle, our country can easily get rid of this problem, child labor. The arrangement that has recently been approved by Pakistan, Norway, and ILO to eradicate child labor must be given importance, and we hope that our rulers must put this agreement into practical practice using all means to their disposal. Now we are talking about causes of child labor. Child labor happen due to a number of reasons. While some of the reasons may be common in some countries, there are some reasons which are specified in particular areas and regions. When we look at what is causing child labor, we will be able to fight it better. Firstly, it's happened in countries that have a lot of priority and employment. When the family won't give enough earning, they put the children of the family to work so they can have enough money to survive. Similarly, if the adult of the family are unemployed, the younger one have to work in their place. Moreover, when people do not have access to the education, they will ultimately put their children to work. Then educated only care about a short-term result, which is why they put children to work so they can survive their present. Furthermore, the money saving attitude of various industries is a major cause of child labor. They hire children because they pay them lesser of the for the same work as an adult, as children work more than adults and also at fair wages. They prefer children. They can easily influence and manipulate them. They only see their profit, and this is why they encourage children in factories. Now, eradication of child labor. If we wish to eradicate child labor, we need to formulate some very effective solution which will save our children. It will also enhance the future of any country dealing with these social issues. To begin with, one can create a number of unions that slowly work to prevent child labor. It should help the children in losing in this work and pushing those who make them do it. Furthermore, we need to keep the parents in this loop so as to teach them the importance of education. If we make education free and the people aware, we will be able to educate more and more children who won't have to do child labor, moreover, making people aware of the harmful consequences of child labor is must. In addition, family control measure that must also be taken. This will reduce the family burden. So when you have leisure mouth to feed, the parents will be enough to work for them instead of the children. In fact, every family must be promised a minimum income by the government to survive. In short, the government and people must come together. Employment opportunities must be given to people in abundance so they can earn their livelihood instead of putting their kids to work. The children are the future of our country. We cannot expect them maintain to in economic condition of their family instead of having a normal childhood. That's all for today. Hope you people like it. Thank you.